Okay, so I am going to do a bathroom elevation now. This is just kind of a continuation of how I start to put together a package of drawings. So we've done a section and we did an elevation of the kitchen. I did an elevation of some cabinetry. I showed you how I cross-referenced that to a section from where I cut through of that cabinetry. And now I'm going into doing a bathroom. So what I did is I snapped my vertical lines, which correspond to where the walls are in my bathroom. I'm going to be doing an elevation facing this way. So I'm going to be looking towards where the bathtub is. My horizontal lines, I took my measurements from where from the laundry room, the data line of the laundry room, because that's where ceiling heights would be the same, base molding, that sort of thing. So first of all, I've got to trim some of this up. The bottom lines, for reference, I'm going to leave those there for right now. Okay. And so for right now, let's go zoom. Let's make this bigger so I can see a little bit better. My eyes are not what they once were. Okay, so I need to trim. This is actually a wall, so I'm not going to have base molding in my wall. I need to trim here, there, because that's going to be a cut-through wall also. Get rid of that. So trim. All right, so part of what I need to do, this is basically going to be the window position here. That's the only reason why these two lines are here, so I want to trim here. Okay, and then I want to offset 7 feet. It's going to be the height of my doorways. So trim. Okay. Get rid of that. Okay, and then this is going to be a glass partition, so I need to trim that right there. And so there's my glass partition. So there's my doorway cut through. There's another doorway cut through. So just to kind of keep me straight a little bit, part of what I'm going to do is I'm going to hatch some of this. Boundary can't be determined. Interesting. Let's see if I can. Nope. Not working for me. So when stuff like that comes up, this is what I do. So extend. Or the other thing I'll do is I'll just come through. And I'll just, well, all right. So it wasn't recognizing the boundary before, so I just solved the problem. Got rid of it. All right, so now I need to go to Open Recent, and it should be Kohler. Fireplace. Kohler shower head, Kohler faucet, farm sink. Now this I know I'm going to need. All right. Let's do this. Let's do this a little differently. I'm going to go to No, it's not running. I don't need that for this. Okay, go back. I need my tub. Mhm. Okay. All right, so there's that. I need to go to, I need to go to, yeah, what, what? All right, so I went ahead and I downloaded these out of Kohler. Let me, okay. I'm going to start with the tub because it's one of the largest pieces. So I'm going to go to clipboard, copy, close that out. Okay. Clipboard, I'm going to paste this a block, put that in, and yeah, it's actually facing right. Okay, so let me move this. Scooch it a little bit over that way. Okay, so there's that. And I need to, there's a floor faucet. Here it is. Zoom out. Copy. Oh, no, that's not what I want. Right click. And then I want to go to right click, paste. There we go. So that's all set up now. Let me zoom out, take a look at where my position, everything's positioned on here. Okay. So I'm going to be looking dead center at this. What I do need to do vertical, because that's actually where my my partial glass wall is going to be, is right here. That's this thing. Actually, this will not be there because this is going to be the shower, but that will be the glass wall. I'll figure out my mounting here in a little bit. Okay, so that's laid out there. Now, let's take a look at this. Okay, so that's pretty much in the middle. All right, that's what I need to know. Get rid of that. All right, so I downloaded the wrong thing. Let me go find the right thing.